Hello. In this episode I've got a nice tablet NVIDIA based on Android. What happened? This happened. Unfortunately, the battery decided to die. Alright. You can see swollen rechargeable lithium ion. The cost of new battery is twice the cost of the tablet, so it's absolutely no point replacing it because tablet works and I'm using it in my kitchen for recipes, so it's connected to power, and this is also the reason why the battery went like this. I've got something like this. Super micro step down module. It's thin enough maybe to get into the battery compartment. We're gonna try. I don't know if that's going to work because I haven't tried it yet. Let's do an experiment. First of all, we've got those two control cables. One is white and one is green, and as far as I know, so one is the green one is around 15 kilo ohms, and the white one is around 5.5 kilo ohms. So I'm going to find just the resistors bypass this. I'm planning to put this module between 5 volt power from the USB socket, which is here, and the battery terminals. So we're gonna simulate the battery voltage using this. Also, the charging system is going to try to pump the voltage back, so we need to check if this module has got protection. I can put a simple diode to stop this. We've got values for resistors. We need to find somewhere here 2 points with 5 volt voltage from the USB. This is my voltage injector. It's going here, and what I tried to do is I tried to open this, expose this fabric. And around this area there are 4 resistors looking like elements. They are not resistors because they've got 000 on it, so they act as fuses, which is a good sign for us to check the voltage. So one here and one here. Alright, 4.8 volt. This is now showing charging. Alright, you can see current coming into the... All I need is just attach 2 wires from here, connect them with this, and then 2 wires from here, connect them with this. And that should be it. After a short break and trying so many resistors, well, not all of them, some of them, what I figured out, I have to only use 2 resistors, 100 kilo ohms instead of that 126, and 10 kilo ohms instead of that 12.4. This circuit is working. And what I also noticed, I bypassed the mini controller. I just put one single diode between plus coming from the USB and the plus battery, and what I got now is this NVIDIA. So the battery simulation works. However, it doesn't start. You can see it takes 0.8 amps, and in a second it's gonna jump to 1.5 or 1.6, and that is too much for the diode because diode is maximum 1 amp. So you can see it's 1.5. Alright, and is off. I'm gonna try to use different diode, high power type, and see how it works. The diode is very hot, but we are getting closer and closer. Okay, I just put big 5 amps rectifying bridge, which has got 4 diodes inside, so I'm gonna use just one of them. All right. Okay. Okay, it shows battery fully charged. Okay, it takes half of amp. 0.2, 0.3, 0.8 starting. Alright, we've got NVIDIA logo. Alright, this is very interesting because the USB port needs to supply nearly 2 amps. I've got my port can supply I think 2.5 maximum, but okay. 1.6. Right, it's still on. Nah, died. Oh, this is quite hot again. Alright, the next step is a Schottky diode. And I've got Schottky diode here. Okay, this tiny little thing. Now, this tiny little thing, you barely see that is a Schottky diode. Okay. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. 0.8. Thing is getting to a 1.8 amps and then dies. Okay, 1.2. 1.82. Oh, it's going over 2 amps. But the diode, the Schottky diode I used is capable of hey, it started. The Schottky diode can deliver 3 amps of power, but the voltage is very limited. Okay, it's working. Interesting. That's good. It shows battery charging, but obviously it's no battery, but working. Fantastic. 2.2. Takes lots of power. You can see I just harvested Schottky diodes from old equipment, and the same I harvested rectifying bridges for many projects, different kinds. Right. Here's what I did. I found plus 5 volt. Alright, I put Schottky diode, 3 amps, 40 volts. So I connected here to battery plus, right? And to fake the battery, I looked into this, and it says NTC1 and NTC2. So NTC1 is the green one, and NTC2 is the white one. The green one I use 100k resistor, and NTC2 I used 10k, both to ground. It's still on. Alright, I'll give it a test and see how it goes. I'm going to make it nice and clean. I'm going to protect everything, put the cover up, and tablet is ready to go. Okay, I need to power it down now. Thanks very much for watching.